Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So this guy gave me a call and said he needed some killing done out at his place. He's got some hogs, he's got plenty of coyotes, but what he really wants gone are these armadillos and skunks. Mainly because they bother his wife more than anything else. And if I get to keep hunting on his place because I'm killing them and keep a happy wife, happy life. So that's what I went out there to do. Now you can see I've got actually both of them in here. This is my Thermion XT50. I've got it on top of a Ruger 1022 takedown that I keep in my hunting bag. And you can see that I've got it set at the 25-yard zero. It does great. It's perfect. It's on. But, man, if they're not right at 25 yards, those subsonic 22 rounds, they're going to be somewhere else up and down. So you got to play a little bit of Kentucky, not windage, but Kentucky elevation. And so I got that armadillo, but this skunk, I'm going to let him go because he is upwind of me, and I don't want to have to deal with that. So I'll let this one go away, but I did get that armadillo. I'll come back to this skunk later. And so here's going to be one that's playing peekaboo. I forgot to actually record it on my Thermion, but I had my Trigicon right next to me, and I did remember to record it on there. So this one's going to be a quick, easy one. Again, you're going to see some Kentucky elevation. Took 4 shots to actually connect with him because of the yardage, but at 7 cents a round, whoop-de-doo. Alright, so here's going to be another quick, easy one for us here. That guy was at the mark. So guys, if you're using one of these pulsars and you got those multiple zeros, make sure you got it on the right one. This one, I actually put a whole bunch of shots at him, and because he's at the wrong yardage for this zero, and I run out of ammo in this little 10 round magazine, so you're going to see me do a mag change here in a second as he's coming at me, and that doesn't feel too good. But first shot, whenever he comes back, I'm able to get him down then. I ended up getting a total of 7 skunks and 5 armadillos, and this guy was super happy about that. Now, guys, this was the best one of the night, and this one's a stinker. Y'all know what that was. Let's watch that again. Oh, got him. Let's do it one more time. Oh, that's your wind meter right there. Well, guys, I'm just going to let y'all play throughout the rest of these, but stay on top of what zero distance y'all got for those pulsars. Make sure that you're, shooting at the right distance for your target, that you got it set right, and mind your wind and keep those landowners happy. All right, guys, well, y'all just keep being awesome. Bye.